Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
So, I don't contact my relatives very often just because, like, I'm not used to that. But, like, there's nothing wrong between us. And my parents are actually the one who usually contact them.
How
But,
close?
like,
How
I
close
don't-
are they?
I'm sorry?
How close of relatives are they? Are they your paternal and maternal uncles?
Oh, yes.
Okay, what's your question?
So, like, I don't know if this is okay.
No, it's not. It's not. This is an obligation upon you. Just because your father or mother contact their siblings and you feel that they've done the job, why would I talk to them? No, you're doing a sin on your own. On the day of judgment, Allah will hold you accountable. Why did you sever the ties of kinship? I know so many people that don't call their uncles and aunts. And that is a major sin. Some of my own relatives, my nieces, do not call me for ages, years and years, despite the fact I tried to call them multiple times. They don't pick up. And they don't call back. You message them, they don't care. Who cares? I do what I'm supposed to do in front of Allah Azza wa Jal. Allah puts barakah in my life, in my health, in my wealth, in my family. They, on the other hand, are cursed by Allah. Because probably they don't know, most likely they do know, but they don't care about Allah's wrath. And that is on them. We try to give them advice, but you can't force a horse to drink. You can lead the horse behind you for a couple of miles to the river, and it would walk willingly. Once you reach the river, if you try to force the horse to drink, you won't succeed even if you bring 10 strong men. So at the end of the day, you'll be held accountable on the day of judgment for your sins and mistakes. Not calling your uncles and aunts, sending them SMSs or messages once every blue moon, in the Eid, in Ramadan, greetings and the likes. If they need help financially and you're capable of helping, sending them money, this is your obligation. How to make ghusl and how to make the quickest ghusl. Can we do quick ghusl if we want purity, to purify ourselves from menses? The answer is yes. Ghusl is one, which is to intend to uplift the major ritual impurity by covering your whole body with water and turning the water in your mouth and rinsing your nose. So the sunnah way is to first of all wash your hands 3 times, wash your private part, then wash your hand again with a detergent so that no najasa is there. Then perform wudu, normal wudu, with the exception of the feet, don't wash them. Then take 3 scoops of water and wash your hair and thoroughly reaching the scalp. Then pour water over your whole body, wash your feet, that's it. This is the sunnah. The other way is just simply take a full shower that cleans your body.